Hey, see who we have here. My princess, how are you? Please sit down. How have you been?
Fine.
Good. I heard that you refuse to take anything. Don't you want to drink? I have brandy, champagne, Dom Perignon, Moet, anything you want, name it. Come on.
Gosh. Seeing you is enough for me.
Are you sure? So tell me, how are your parents? The king, the royal majesty, the queen and your beautiful sister. How are they doing?
Everybody's doing well.
Good.
Beautiful house you have here.
Money so really went down. It's the harsh way.
Living life.
Of course. We thank God for everything. Good to have you, princess.
Gosh.
Yes.
Allow me spend some time with you here.
Come on, princess. You don't need to ask. You're free. I mean, you can breeze in and out anytime you want.
I mean, I would like to have you all to myself.
My princess, that's my G-spot. Yeah.
My princess, I understand how you feel. It is not your fault. You love him not because he is hush puppy today, but because he has occupied a special place in your heart. You love him. You are not a good girl, princess.
You do not understand it. He's very rich now, and a lot of girls are flocking around him. So if I should go close to him, he might take me as one of them.
No, I disagree with you. You were his friend, even while he was poor.
Yet I abandoned him when he needed me the most.
My princess, that was not your fault at all. It wasn't your fault. You were locked up.
But remember, I never told him my feelings before he left to the city. So if I should say that now, he might see it like he may lie.
I don't think so. I don't still believe he hates you either.
I'm so confused.
Mama?
Yeah. And where are you both going dressed like this? Are you going to church?
Mama, are you not the one that said we should go to the market?
And you are going to market?
Yes.
Meanwhile, you dress as if you are going to church.
Yeah.
Where are those clothes you wear in school?
They're in our bags now, Mama. Is there any need wearing them? We're in the village now.
And so what? So, because you are in the village, listen, it seems you don't know why I called you both back from school to this village.
Okay, Mama.
Why, Mama?
Why are you here?
Yeah, good question. Hush Puppy is in this village, and I want him to marry one of you. If possible, both of you or all my daughters. Because that boy is money-making machine, and I want both of you to look sexy.
Even when going to the market?
Even when going to the toilet or to the street. Even when you are going to cook in the kitchen, I want you to look sexy for Hush Puppy. Because if you people miss Hush Puppy, I will disown you. He must marry both of you. In fact, all of you. Oh yeah. Those clothes that we look at you. Oh yeah. Let's go so that you will.
Hush, Bobby, please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. Please don't do this to me, please. Oh, forgive me. I wasn't thinking straight then. But now, I've believed in your future now.
Small.
Then I was misbehaving.
You're kneeling down, begging me now because I have graduated from Piccolo to Hush Puppy.
Swaggy again.
Loud it.
Have you heard? Hush Puppy money again.
Loud.
Have you heard? Hush Puppy money again.
Yeah, I'm not angry with you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much.
As a matter of fact, you have done me more good than harm. And that's because all your insults, name callings and everything actually motivated me. And that's why I Hush Puppy today. Loud it.
Hey, Hush Puppy money again. Have you heard?
But unfortunately for you, I cannot align with you.
Hey.
I mean, I can't see myself ruling with you because you do local.
Bam.
You're a local champion.
Yeah.
You are familiar with this earring. So you still use this earring. Keep your ears on space.
Yeah. Bam.
Let this enter your ear. Like here.
Swag again.
Who uses gel at this time and era?
Swaggy again.
Brazilian hair.
Hey, swag.
Peruvian hair.
Have you heard?
I'm sure that's new to you.
Swag again.
See your shit. Great shit. Cut and join.
Hey, swaggy. Swaggy. Hey, swag.
This t-shirt. Eh?
Swag.
Mado. Oh, your mado. Cars!
Boss!
Roland!
Boss!
Show her the way out.
Hush Puppy, please, I'm begging you. I know I messed up back then. I never believed in your future. But now I believe in your future. I even believe in your next future to come. I believe in everything.
Oh my God, swag.
Please don't throw me away. See, I know I'm a local champion. I know I'm a village girl. And I know I'm a village cargo. But you can still touch me up. What's what you doing? Why are you have money?
Stop! Roland!
Please now, Puppy, no! Hey, give me a hand!
I have decided to make you the general manager of the Yes, you deserve it. But you see, anybody that aligns with Hush Puppy need to align with them.
Real matter.
Wow, so you cannot be rolling with me and the truck. Wow. So I have decided to gift you this little car. You say what? Cat.
Boss! Hush Puppy, you wear swag and you're getting swag.
Swag! Hush Puppy cry. Let me tell you my swag.
I'm looking at swag!
Let me know! Take the one back.
Have any of you gone out today?
Ah, Papa, but you don't send us anywhere.
You mean you people have been here playing since morning without going out? Huh?
People can't judge it.
Where would we have gone to? I can't remember you sending us anywhere. We are here playing.
These children are serious. You have been here playing. Huh? Hi! So now tell me, as you didn't go out since morning till now, how would Hush Puppy see you or pick all of you as bride?
So Papa, you mean we should go into the community and start looking for Hush Puppy?
Oh, will you shut up your mother? Huh? Will you get inside there and dress separately and hit the street there? Huh? Will you get inside for her? Huh? So you don't want me to be in-law? To pay, for what?
You see what I want you all to do for me right now? In 3 days' time, I'm going to build you under this community. Something I have desired so much for so long. I want you to run down to Mazion Ubo's house. Mazion Ubo.
Papa, I'm not a car owner. Papa, I told you.
Brother, you mean you own this car?
He said, this is one of my cars. Right? Papa! Hey dude, can I ask you something?
Yeah, madam.
Who did you steal that car from?
Nah, Papa, man. Papa, forget it, man. Papa, this is one of my cars. This is my baby. Yeah, my wife. Yeah, my wife. Papa, let me tell you something. Papa, happy. Papa, let me show you my swag. Let me just show you my swag. Papa. Man!
Why are you crying?
Don't even come and don't even try it. You are the cause of the humiliation I received today. You are the cause. You caused it. I told you that he would not listen to me, but you forced me. You told me to go and try. Now see.
What is it? I don't understand. What is it?
I'm talking about Hush Puppy. I'm talking about Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy threw me away from his compound. Can you imagine? More drama.
How am I the cause of it? Why are you blaming me? Please take your frustration elsewhere. Why am I the one that has to go and insult him at the first place?
Isn't I told you, my friend? I never knew a wolf in sheep's clothing.
It's you that is a lizard in a snake clothing. Instead of you to bear your shame, you're looking for who to hang it on. No nonsense. I thought you're a learned graduate, as I always claim every time. I'm not getting here. Graduate. You should ever graduate. You can't eat your cake and have it. Nonsense. Okwala again.
Hey! Hey! I thought you were my friend. Hey! Choma, you have lost everything. Choma, you have lost everything because of greed. And you got your car. And you got your ma. Choma, you have lost everything. Even the team that I'm going after is rejecting me. It isn't Kenjaga. And Elwaka Bazukamaka Goso. Hey, Otoquanuma. If I don't leave this village. I'll leave this village. The shame is just too much. I must go back home.
Ini, how do we look?
In fact, both of you look so stupid. Both of you. Hey!
Well, I don't blame you. I blame myself for asking a dead man a question. Because dead men do not talk. And even if they talk, their words are meaningless. Yes.
And why? Can't you look at good thing and appreciate it at once?
Take this knife and cut off your head.
Say whatever you want to say. I don't care. But I must tell you one thing. I don't care. Oh.
No, why will you care? Tell me, why will you care? When you are presenting yourself alongside your daughter to hot puppy. Why will you care? If he gets married to you, you are broken record. That one man marries both daughter and mother. No, no.
And how does it affect you? Am I not a widow? I'm asking you, am I not a widow? Mind your words. Hate speech is 5 years. Look at my hand. 5 years in prison.
You call yourself a widow. And that widow will you be? You will never be a widow in Jesus' name.
I want to be a widow. I want to be a widow.
You want to know okay?
Look at them. Look at them. Like mother, like daughter. We will see. In fact, let me control what I'm doing. Hey!
Uche, you know you're very stubborn. I hope you've changed.
Of course, right now, the kind of money you came back with, can change everybody. Not that I was stubborn that time, I was never stubborn now. I was never stubborn. Just that I was trying to push you to your destiny. I wanted to push you to the top.
I see.
Yes.
This way is paying money. I don't like it. Other one. Brother, I don't want to become a tenant of property. This life that I'm living now.
God forbid. I understand what you're saying, but you have absolutely nothing to worry about because my money long hush puppy don't be guiding based on my activity, my doings.
This hush puppy. Your name is sweet. I like it. Hush puppy. But how did you come up with this name? Hush puppy. What inspired you?
Okay, the truth is, after I left the city, I went to Dubai, to hustle. Right there where we hustle, there's this pet that always come around. This puppy, this white puppy, and I was so fond of the puppy. I always played with the puppy, and to the extent that my friends even call me puppy. And we have this saying I always have in the back of my mind that when I have money, I will hush everywhere. So one day somebody just said, you'll be hush puppy. I said, okay, hush and puppy. Add them together, hush puppy. So that was like, but since then, that's been an activity.
Okay, now we understand. Brother, ever since you went to that place,
Dubai,
yes. You made money suddenly. Within this short period, how?
Enough, alright? Enough of the bass booms. People want to win me question. Who get money make it chill now, I can't have the kind of money that I have and still answering questions like this. Am I receiving interview? Don't worry, let's carry over all these questions to tomorrow. For now, relax. The only discussion I like is when you talk about money. Anything outside money, you pay me for my ear because me that talk and do, I talking and do. Meanwhile, you take this one and change your clothes. Clothes I see on Instagram, I'd like you to update yourself. And your hair. I know you know about Peruvian and Brazil. It's not him, I'm talking to you. Take. Buy woman hair.
Thank you.
And your makeup. There's this makeup that is raining now. Girls use it. If you kiss them, it will not stain you. I don't know what they call it. Did I ask you if you have a boyfriend? Come on, take this thing. You have to tell about boyfriend. They will still start coming. Add it to the list. This one is for nothing. Spend money for nothing. You'll be loyal, so you need to spend.
Poppy money. Poppy money.
It's okay, you still go and buy something to your head. How much did I give you?
Money.
It's loud it.
Poppy money.
Now you can loud it.
But I thank you. I'm your brother now, did you forget me?
Yeah, I saw you. See your brother, but you are not loyal. Let me use this time now to watch your probation.
Tekno, I want you to use your connection as Hush Puppy's manager and connect my sister Mercy so that there will be packaging.
Let me tell you, I am the PA and the manager to the Hush Puppy. When you are talking about connection, I am the connector to the connection, which is Hush Puppy Dubai.
I know.
Hush Puppy money. Hey, go now to Jonah Dubai.
I know. That's why I came to you.
Wire master.
Yes, now. So how are we going to go about it?
Before we start anything, consultation fee 5,000.
Only 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, no problem. I have 5,000 and at home. I will give my sister the money, Mercy. Provided you connect my sister Mercy to Hush Puppy. My brother, I am the connection to the connector. I know. That's why I came to you directly. It's not as if I don't know Hush Puppy's house. No, you understand? Okay, now bye.
Good afternoon. This Tanji there can the daughter. Go to Biakwa. How may I help you?
It's because of Hush Puppy.
Oh, Hush Puppy.
Yes.
Madam, so what do you want?
I want Hush Puppy.
Let me tell you, if it's for you, it's 15,000. Do you know why? Because your age and Ebago and monopause. That place is the lie. They are wasn't me. No, for you it's 15,000. For your daughter, turn around. I like this your daughter. With this boy leg, I don't Hush Puppy forever. Hush Puppy will never leave you. 8,500 naira.
8,500 naira. Just 8,500 naira.
Cash, I don't like transfer.
Wait there.
Mommy, leave me. I want
to that brought you.
I want to go and bring it.
I
want to go and bring
yes.
it.
I'm bringing the money. No.
Anybody that comes with cash, will Hush Puppy. Yes, and when more SIM card in the silver alert. Hush Puppy.
Papilo, I like your vibes. I like how you vibe. I like your energy. You know, I met a friend in Dubai. He acts just the same way you act. And I said to him, I have someone like you, although he's a bit older than you are. I call him father in Nigeria, and that's you. Because of your positive energy, your positive vibe. Papilo!
Yo, Hush, man. You just hit it right by the head, you know what I'm saying?
What's up?
Right on point. But I'm gonna tell you straight up like this, man. A nigga always gonna be a nigga. It don't matter how old or young. Because he knows how to pull the trigger. Make a nigga shiver. Run down to the river and catch a fucking fever.
You see why I like it? That reminds me, Papilo. Yeah. I hope you're getting ready. Because you will be the next Onu in this kingdom. I will make sure of that.
Man, that's like a done deal. I'm just still no. That's what's up. But how can I be there without you?
That's what's up.
You made it all possible. So I appreciate you, man. All your love and support. Cheers.
Listen, you don't need to thank me. Papilo, you're a good man. Cheers. You see? Cheers. Anytime you say cheese, I just get that vibe. You know what I mean? Listen, your son is a very good person. He was there for me when I needed his support. You know, That's why I said to myself, no matter what you need, any financial assistance you need, I will do it. Just call on me.
That's good to hear. You're my homie of life.
That's what's up.
Where can I be without you, man? Because you know what time it is.
I know. Oh, Papito, I don't want you to leave me like that. Anytime you're with me, it's always a vibe, right? I know you're living, but I want you to leave me with something.
So I'm not giving. So like the old Papito.
That's what's up.
Kind of vibe.
That's what I want.
Okay. All right. I'm the man with the lady. That's why they call me Papito. And I'm chilling with nobody but Hush Puppy. I got money. Forget Mr. Bunny. We chilling. Just like a baby. Swag on Canada. Swag on Canada. I got my homie. Swag on Canada. Breaking it down.
Papito! Yo, open the gate for Papito. Papito!
Yeah, I got it.
One time, hold this. Just for 5 minutes. Don't shout it. This is such Papito money. Don't loud it. Please give me more 5 as you're going. 5 as you're going.
Hey, up in this place.
Hey,
I ain't got no case.
Hey,
cause I got the grace.
Hey,
ain't nobody gonna try to give me the case.
What's going on, Hey, I'm in there, boss. I'm in there.
Hush puppy, too much money. See money they rent like water. See money they pump like air. Waiting I go use you do with money. Waiting I go use you do with money. You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them say, hush puppy don't
my friend.
I go make them
Come on from there.
Come
out from there. Where are you hiding? Aproko, Asili Kobo. Did I tell you I was hiding? So where are you running to? Joma, where are you running to? I'm not running to anywhere. Isn't it obvious? If not, where could you be going with all these your luggages in your hands? It's obvious. It's obvious you're running away from the shame you've caused for yourself. Isn't it obvious? Chama the beautiful girl. Okay. Chama the beautiful girl. Don't insult me. Don't insult me, okay. Oh, I know why I'm keeping you quiet. Don't insult me. You know what happened between Piccolo and Chima? You remember how Chima insulted Piccolo while he was going to the city? And now Chima is begging to retrieve his car. You remember, right? Shut up! That can never be your case because you don't even have a future. When you get to the city, continue with your akuna 10 kobo. Akuna 10 kobo. Do you have a future? Okay, your mouth is smelling. Go and put it. My mouth is smelling. My mouth doesn't smell. You have a future. You have a future. You have a future. Carry your. Come on, get it. You Look at this one talking to me about future. Do you have a future? Do you have a future? Very soon now. And as in very soon. You will stay in your father's house. No man will marry you. I got my baby. You're not ashamed of yourself. I don't have a future. Idiot. Hey.
The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. Money, I go do you like puppy. Money, I go throw you like puppy. I go drop you for grand. I go match you like carpet.
I already apologized. I'm sorry. Please, let's just be friends.
Listen, respect yourself. I'll push you away. If I push out of this place, nothing will happen to me. The only reason I'm not doing that is because I have respect for women. Normally, I'll just push you. And even if I push you, nobody will come. You're royalty now. Stand up and leave this place. I've already told you, nothing can happen between us. What is all this ones? Please. Respect yourself. I can't please let me kneel down. I don't like all this rubbish. Just listen.
Hush. What is going on here? Adamma, how could you? How could you be so loose and so cheap? How could you?
You
even mind the way you talk to me. I'm still your elder sister.
Elder sister, my foot! Listen, I lost the respect I had for you the moment you went behind me to snatch my man.
Who is your man?
Hush Puppy is my man.
Hush Puppy is no one's man.
Yes!
He is no one's man. I'm sure you made it clear to us that you both have nothing in common yet.
But you know my intention, you bloody betrayer.
And how is that my business? What is going on here? What is happening? Huh?
Who wants to pull down the roof of this building? What is happening?
Mother, warn your daughter, warn your sheep daughter, warn your slut. Tell her not to try shit with me because I'm not going to take it from her. Try me and see another side of me.
Well, you better talk to her because I will not stay here and watch her call me names.
Oledo! Adeze! 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 What is going on? Adeze!
It's not by force, so. You understand? It's for your own good. You understand? This money I want to collect from you people is called consultation fee. Let me tell you, even in the Bible, Habakkuk chapter 1 verse 9 was saying, before you see God, you will come through Jesus. I'm the Jesus of this generation. See, let me tell you, I'm the special advisor to Hush Puppy in Kekene, Dubai. And before you see Hush Puppy, you will come through me. That is why I'm AKA V8 Hush Puppy. And I go back and back. You understand? Money is not my problem. This is what? This is my khaki. Say khaki.
Khaki.
Say khaki.
Khaki.
That was both of your time. I'm definitely starting. This is my khaki. How much they call sensor. When I saw you can solve. My khaki, sorry. Sorry. He doesn't like Dikeh and Nyash. Please, one after the other. What's your name? Tell me your name.
Obioma.
It's like you will get touch from me. Because your name is trying to attract OP hearts. But OP Hana get OP. They don't be bad.
Please.
He says Obioma. Can I see your name? Turn around. No, don't tell me because I'm the one to. You don't need. You can out there, but you don't bet. Your alage can be your EK is not. It's moderate. Your EK is moderate.
But you choose me.
By God's grace. Okay. What is your name? Everybody. Again, I got that because.
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, don't spoil my business, oh. Papa, don't spoil my business. Papa, here for my job, oh. If you have your own 5,000, you better go and join the queue. When it's your turn, I will attend to you. That guy go.
5,000 for what?
Oh, you see, Hush Puppy. I'm the special advisor to Hush Puppy in Dubai.
Before I close my damn eyes and open it up again, and I see all of you here, you will not like it. All of you!
Papa, why are you spoiling his business?
Papa, let them go and bring back all my customers. They did not that much.
Papa, why are you spoiling his business? Papa, why are you spoiling his business? If you don't have money to join the queue, please pass and go inside. You're the one who encouraged him to be wise. Now he's wise and you're spoiling his wisdom.
Chinedu, you call this stupidity wisdom?
Don't mind them. Was this how Hush Puppy made his billions to put up that castle of an edifice? I don't think so. Look out for illiterate graphic, that's what you
Hush puppy, too much money. Say money, money they rent like water.
Papa, I don't like this thing, oh. Papa, let me tell you, I'm not happy, oh. Papa, let me tell you, I'm leaving you because of what, oh. Papa, I'm telling you.
You insult me, you make me suffer money. I don't make them just say.
Now listen to me, both of you. I have made so many mistakes in the past. One mistake I will not make is to allow my family go back to poverty. Do you understand? What? Brother, this is why you are sounding like this. I hope all is well. All is well. It's just that I had a bad dream.
Why don't you tell us about it?
About the dream. Listen to me. In this bag, I have lots of dollars. You see, lots of over 100 million. I had to screw my account. But I want you to take this money, go to the bank, and open your account for yourselves. Then you see the money there. Do you understand?
Good. But I am not comfortable with this. Why are you sounding like you want to die soon? They make me understand.
See, brother, the truth is, I don't care if you want to die. If you want to die, but the thing is, since you know about giving us this money before now, why didn't you tell us? So that we can open an account before now. Then you can wire the money by transfer. Instead of risking giving us this $100 million in cash. You don't. I can say, you won't understand. Right? So keep quiet. Take this bag to do what I asked you to do. Yes.
You go out to take that money.
It's money as it.
So let's quickly get down to the business of the day. The reason we are here. Mazulisa. Ground people. You know. I said, crown him, do you know?
This is a great insult. This is a great humiliation. I cannot take it.
What the hell are you saying? Do you want to rot in jail when my homie Hoshi hears about this? You heard him? Remember your son's fate. Think of what will happen to you.
I will do it, since you have instructed.
I don't give a damn how ugly your face is, nigga. I'm coming straight up to take my title.
Wait, I will do it. I will do it.
Take it easy. Don't take my cap like that. You really want to take it out.
I will do it.
You better put it right.
No!
Put my paraphernalia. Put all my paraphernalia.
Oh
My princess, I do not know why you don't want to take a bold step to reclaim your man.
When my sister have thrown herself on him, no, we'll look so cheap. No.
But my princess, she said they shared nothing.
And what if she's lying?
Does she really have any reason to do that?
Yes! I know my sister very well. She's desperate and she can do the unthinkable.
And that is the reason you need to make haste while the sun shines. To you, it's all about love. Your heart beats for him. You love him. But your sister, we all know, is all about the fame and the money. My princess, if you ask me, you deserve him more.
You fade. You fade.
1-0.
Yes.
Twinkle, 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 little twinkle, 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 twinkle. You fade again. Okay.
Too much money.
Papa, why are you so excited?
Don't tell me you're blind, my daughter. Take a good look at my head and tell me what you see.
Oh no!
And that's what I got. Check this out. Hush Puppy is a real G. He's my homie. He got money and he knows how to spend it. He got this one for me. So please, big shout out to Hushie!
Money.
Big shout out to Hushie!
He scores for a celebration.
Yeah! Exactly. Go in there and get things ready while we celebrate.
Okay, Papa.
Hey!
I gon' make them say Hush Puppy don't enter. I gon' make them know say Hush Puppy don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name.
Oh no, man!
Odogu, Odogu, everywhere they shake. Hush Puppy no big guy nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. Oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Hush Puppy no big guy nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. Oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Hush Puppy no be kind nemo, na money. This town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all.
Caribbean money. Too much money. Too much stuff. Princess. How are you? Yeah.
Whoa, you look really nice.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, and you?
Nice, I'm fine, as you can see.
Well, I was about coming to your house.
My house?
Yes.
Why were you coming to my house?
What do you mean? Can't I visit my old-time friend?
No, that's not what I mean. I'm just asking. Huh? Listen, you know you're special now, and I got something for you.
Really?
Yeah.
So what could that be?
I'll shock you.
Okay.
Roller.
I can't wait.
Get the guy. You can see that again. Whoa. You see, I'm dripping.
You look good. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Good to see you too, man.
Good to see you again.
Yeah. So,
good to see you. Be dripping.
Listen.
So what is this?
Bag of money.
Hold this.
For you. Check it out.
What?
Money.
Money?
Yes.
Piccolo, yes. What do you take me for? No. What is the meaning of this? I don't love you for your money. I love you for who you are. What are you taking me for?
Who am I? I am Hush Puppy. This long money is part of me now. So if you love me, you love everything about me. And this money, it's part of me.
Have you heard?
Accept this money. Money long. Are you stressing yourself?
Can I ask you one question?
Go ahead.
Do you love me? Do you?
My princess, I love you so much. But all that do not matter right now. Why, if I may ask? I had all the opportunity to date my husband.
So why can't you date now that you have all the qualities to take care of a woman?
Because I love you so much.
You're making the whole thing complicated. You're getting me more confused.
Princess, the truth is I am committed. See, I don't just want to break your heart.
Hey! I know you ain't lying. Don't tell me you didn't see me, man.
Papilo, I saw you. But I don't owe you any greeting, do I?
Hey, do you realize you're talking to the Ono of this community? Remember?
And I have been there before you, remember?
You will be a deadbeat if I should tell my homie, Hush Puppy, about this insult.
Papilo, why are you reacting like this? You know you are my friend. Yeah, I was just joking with you.
That's my boy talking. Lamb hey. Hey yo, call me Ono man.
Ono man.
I didn't hear you say it loud. Call me Ono man.
Ono man.
Chee.
Princess, you shouldn't.
If you want to talk to me, sit down.
Thank you, my princess. My princess, you shouldn't feel too bad about this. Eh? At least he gave you enough as consolation.
Enough of what? No, enough of what? Money. Do I need his money? I always loved that guy, even before he became Hush Puppy, whatever. Don't you get it? I don't need his money.
I know, my princess. Eh? But he said it's for your own good.
For my own good? Breaking my heart is for my own good.
You never can tell. He has his own reasons.
Okay, just leave me. Just let me be. I want to be alone.
Okay, my princess.
Hush Puppy. So finally, you're here. Officer.
Sir.
Take me away.
Wait, officer, wait. What is going on here? Why are they taking you away? What is going on?
Very soon, the news will go viral. Put one thing on the back of your mind. This is not the end of Hush Puppy. I'll be back.
What news? What is going on? What news? Please. Wait! Officer, please.
Ikolo, aka Hush Puppy, has been arrested.
Chimama, is that why we're celebrating?
Yes, Papa.
What
was the reason for his arrest?
Me too. I want to.
Mama, Hush Puppy is a cyber criminal. He has duped people all over the world of their hard-earned money. The FBI, a whole FBI, Mama, of America, came down to Nigeria to pick him up.
You don't mean it?
Yes, Papa.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
I said it, oh. I said it. I knew his money wasn't pure. I knew it.
Come on, shut up. Pure or not pure, money is money. Or did he kill anyone? Okay, let me ask you. Did they say he pointed a gun on anybody's forehead? He's just an intelligent person.
Mama, it is called stealing by false pretense, and it is against the law.
Wait.
Hey!
Let us call a spade a spade. If for job, what he did was evil. Yeah, but he has offended me. Yes, he has offended me. Let us pray he comes back.
Amen. Whether he comes back or goes from to let's celebrate.
Onye njaba mba. Onye njaba. Ema no nka aka nna no.
Hush puppy don't enter. Everywhere is shake. Hush puppy no be kind more. No money. He depend this town radio. With him money no they hide at all. No money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. Hush puppy no be kind more. No money. He depend this town radio. With him money no they hide at all. No money. The more you look, the less you see.